We live in a diverse world filled with thousands of languages. Sadly, for millions around the world, there aren't language learning apps available for the languages they care about. And even if apps do cover a language, these apps limit the topics you can learn. We need a language learning app that's as unique as you and truly open to all the world's cultures. This is why we're starting OpenWords. But how can one startup create content for thousands of languages? OpenWords has open source content. This means we can mine massive public resources like Wikimedia and create basic lessons for any language in the world. This is important because 50% of the world's population speaks non-common languages. And the OpenWords app is completely free. But OpenWords is more than just free. OpenWords is open, with personalized learning and lessons. OpenWords also aims to be a powerful new tool for teachers. Teachers will not only have the freedom to customize individual lessons, they'll also have the ability to track student progress. With your support, we can bring free, open language learning to the world. Welcome to OpenWords.